Hey there YouTube, short video this time. It's about this. Terminal is ST with FlexiPatch, by the way, in case you were wondering, so I could get 6-hole support. And this is fast fetch, and it's not in the ports. So how did I get it to run on here? Well, there is a thing called the OpenBSD WIP. And fast fetch and also things like a Lua language server are in there. So how do you get this? Well, normally ports you get from CVS, and as you can see, the work in progress ports are on GitHub, and the Git repository is here on GitHub. I'll put the link to this in the description. To get this to work, you need a few things. You need this checked out, and you need first you need the ports tree. So read the fine material on how to get the ports tree on your system. I might do a video about how to do that, but for now, just go look up how to do this, and then inside the ports directory, you check out this repo. And then you have the ports that are, several people are working on this to get ports into official OpenBSD. So if you use this, you have to be wary of a couple of files. So these two, the ports that are in this one, you should not use, because they are, well, abandoned, and they will probably not work. And then there's these are ready to install from finished. And there's some that are in neither, and that's well, your mileage may vary. These will certainly not work. These will work, and everything else might work. So yeah. So also a side effect of this is when you update your packages. Of course, I have to do it as root. If you update your packages, it might complain about a few things. So it's getting updates. It's seeing if there's any new packages, and it will complain about these, because these two come from the WIP ports that are linked to the place I just showed you. So yeah, that's it. That's the quickie OpenBSD, how to get non-official stuff to work on OpenBSD. There might be something there that you like. If you use NeoVim, this is nice for Lua. So yeah, that's it. Bye now.